Hello everyone, I'm Kunal Shah, Senior Technical and Derivative Analyst at Mirae Asset Sharekhan, and welcome to this weekly Market Pulse, where we break down the key technicals and the derivative developments in the markets. As expected, Nifty continues to consolidate within the broad range of 25,250 to 25,800, which we had highlighted in our previous Market Pulse video. On the weekly chart, the index is trading between its short-term 20 weekly and the 40 weekly exponential moving average. At the same time, momentum indicators remain below the zero line, indicating underlying weakness in the markets. From a short-term perspective, the daily chart is reflecting the same consolidation between 25,250 and 25,800, which also represents the 61.8 and the 38.2% retracement level of the post-budget rally. Currently, Nifty is trading below its 20 daily moving average and the 40 days exponential moving average, and momentum indicators have formed a negative crossover. Overall, the trend remains sideways to bearish with immediate resistance at 25,800. Key support at 25,250, which also coincides with the 200 daily exponential moving average. A breakdown below 25,250 could trigger further selling pressure towards the next downside level of 25,900 and 24,600. On the daily chart, Nifty is trading below its short-term exponential moving average. 20-day EMA is at 25,624 and 40-day EMA is at 25,656. The put-call ratio stands at 0.60. Looking at the open interest data, the highest call writers are positioned at the 25,800 strike, while the put writers are at the 25,200 strike. On the sectorial front, the power sector, represented by the CPSE Index, continues to remain strong, with Power Grid and Coal India emerging as the top stock options. At the same time, the Nifty Metal sector is also performing well, and stocks like Vedanta and JSW Steel are showing strength. To summarize, Nifty remains in a consolidation phase between 25,250 and 25,800. Momentum indicators are showing weakness, and a breakdown below 25,250 could lead to further downside toward 24,900 and 24,600, unless the index moves decisively above 25,800. That's it for the weekly market pulse. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. All of our research offerings are now under one umbrella, the Mirae Asset Sharekhan Research Center. Explore research calls and detailed research report across equities, mutual funds, F&O, commodities, ETFs, and more. Visit research.sharekhan.com to kickstart your wealth creation journey backed by our research expert. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates from Mirae Asset Sharekhan.
Investment in securities market is subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.